come to the vet? Okay. I gotta get your toenails trimmed. I gotta get your toenails trimmed. You wanna go? Letty, come on then. Let's go.
Log pull, slog pull. That's it. Oh.
Refusing to move is not a way for you to avoid the examination. Just seeing the needle is enough to make him so panicked.
Hello? Oh, the vet?
Top words that every dog is wary of hearing.
Okay, I'm gonna take
The vet.
All right, let me take her. Come on, let's go to the vet's house. Okay, she's gonna get shots.
Weight is also an advantage when you are afraid to go to the vet.
Nope.
Oh, buddy, it's okay.
Can someone tell me this is just a dream?
Hey. It's just a vet. They're just gonna check you. It's okay, buddy.
All dogs will become babies who need to be held when they go to the hospital.
Reno, drama queen. Oh my god! We've got to go see the doctor! Oh no, honey. Okay, all right.
When the owner said to take you out to play, but you ended up at the vet.
Okay, let me get my mask on. Oh my god, okay.
His quivering doesn't lie about veterinary fear.
Do you like the vet?
If the dog has 10 vibration levels, I think he must be on maximum. The eyes of someone who completely didn't understand what was going on.
Huh?
Maybe he's wondering if his turn is that scary.
A little bit more health problems than some other breeds of dogs. Some blood work's not required. I just wanted to make sure we offered it to you.
The phone call made him realize the veterinary nightmare was about to return.
3 to 5 is the longest statement, and like I said, it's 125. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. If you would rather just proceed with that.
Gonna get a receipt now.
You ready?
The clinic is not that scary. This smart dog is an example.
You ready? I know you got a fork now. Okay, there you go. Okay, good girl. Hi. Good girl. You ready to go? What you got, Lily?
Lily.
What you got?
Going to the vet is a tug of war between owner and dog.
He doesn't want to go.
He's so nervous.
Perhaps what he wants most right now is just to be back at home.
Sit down. You can't go anywhere. Oh my god! They gave him a shot of the lot.
Right now, the cold winter is warmer than here. The veterinary floor will be very clean after he comes.
Daisy, you're not walking.
He must be finding a way out of this car before it arrives at the vet.
You feel better now?
One of the ways to ease his anxiety. The journey to bring dogs to the vet has never been easy.
This is. He's like, I know what's in there.
Everyone has to melt at the cuteness of this guy.
You just crack me up, buddy.
He was so nervous that he didn't notice his weird posture.
You look like a weirdo. No, come here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so happy to see you! Oh my gosh! That is amazing! Oh my god!
Never before had the ground been so attractive. This difficult guest will rate 1 star for the vet. The way out of here seems to be too far away for him.
She can't make it there.
We don't have to understand the dog's language to know what he's complaining about.
You don't want to be here. What's wrong? What's wrong?
The moment he left the vet was one of his fastest. Just getting close to that place was terrible enough.
Crying at the vet because you're scared.
It's no use trying to beg at this point, my friend.
I didn't want to bring you here. Why would your mommy do this to you?
Taking him to the vet is an effective remedy for a lazy dog. Dog's legs refuse to work when standing in front of this place. The golden carpet has been prepared to welcome this precious guest.
Yeah.